You spend hours building a landing page, you spend money on SEO or ads to drive traffic to the page, and people land on the page, they scroll and they leave without doing anything. Most product pages are leaking money because they lack a few psychological triggers that force people to take action. So in this video, we'll explore key topics ranging from design psychology to a powerful strategy that helps you automate sales even after visitors leave your website. Now, before we get to the first design tip, here's the reality. Even with the most perfect landing page, some visitors will still visit your website and leave without taking any action, and that is inevitable. But that doesn't mean that sale is lost. Later in this video, I'm going to show you a conversion safety net strategy using Omnisend. It is the exact automated system that top e-commerce businesses use to capture lost visitors and turn them into paying customers. We'll get into details of how to exactly set that up towards the end of this video, but first we need to make sure that your page is worth visiting. Alright, tip number 1 is the 5-second test. When a visitor lands on your page, you have literally 5 seconds to show them what you sell and why they need it. So if your hero section is cluttered or filled with unnecessary menus or vague headlines like "Welcome to my store," honestly, you've lost that sale. A strong opening is crucial. For instance, a clear, compelling heading for a leather bag sales could be "Hand-stitched leather bags built to last a lifetime." Pair that with a great product photo and a clear button, and that is it. If they have to scroll down to find out what you actually sell or what you do on your landing page, your conversion rate is going to tank. Tip number 2 is surprisingly simple, but almost everyone gets it wrong. You need to kill all distractions. On your sales landing page, your main navigation menu is an exit door. Every link to your About Us page, your blog page, your Contact Us page is inviting your customers to leave your website and forget to buy your product. For a dedicated sales page, use a simplified header and remove all your main menu links. The only button or the only links that should be on your menu should be probably add to cart or a buy now button. Remember, you need to funnel them towards the checkout and not away from it. Now, tip number 3 is the social proof. Before people trust brand, they trust other people. Take for example, if you want to order a product off Amazon or Temu, you decide to check the star rating and the reviews from people that actually bought the product to determine whether the product is a good fit for you, regardless of the specifications that you've read about that particular product. This same thing applies to your business. Don't hide your reviews at the bottom of your page. Place a star rating right under your headline, and also remember to use verified buyer badges. And if you're a new store with 0 reviews, use implied social proof. Show badges like secure checkout, 30-day money back guarantee, or fast shipping. This builds trust even before you get your first 100 customers. Tip number 4. Optimize for the time zone. 70% of traffic is likely going to be on mobile. Now, I want you to take your phone right now and check your landing page. Is the add to cart to the buy now button tiny or hard to reach on mobile? If it is, that is one of the things that you need to fix before you actually push your page live. You need to make your call to action button full width, and if possible, make it sticky at the bottom of your screen. And also, you need to make it effortless for the thumb to tap on buy now on mobile display. If they have to pinch or zoom or scroll till they get to the buy now button, you are not getting that sale. Now, here is the harsh reality. Even if you follow through the tips 1 to 4, your visitors can still visit your page and leave without buying anything. And that brings us up to tip number 5, which is what I call the conversion safety net. You need a system that captures those visitors before they vanish and bring them back to buy automatically. And this is exactly why I use Omnisend. Omnisend is an all-in-one marketing platform built specifically for e-commerce that handles this entire safety net for you. So, for example, you can first of all set up a time on page or an exit intent pop-up to capture their emails before they bounce, and offering a small discount here can really help you to convert a visitor that would have been lost to a customer. And after they sign up with Omnisend, you can add them to a browse abandonment automation. So if your subscriber looks at the product on your landing page and they leave without buying, you can send them automated emails to remind them of that specific product that they viewed. And for those that started checkout or added to cart but later got distracted, you can also add them to an abandoned cart or abandoned checkout automation to also remind them to come and complete their checkouts. These automated messages account for 37% of email sales. That is the revenue you're going to be making while doing other things. You do not need an enterprise budget for this. Omnisend gives you similar power to big enterprise tools at a much smarter price. In fact, data shows that for every $1 spent on email marketing with Omnisend, the average return on investment is $68. So if you're not using these automations, you are literally leaving money on the table. And the best part is that Omnisend offers free migration service, so you can set up your conversion safety net and stop losing sales immediately. For accounts paying $250 plus a month, the team will fully furnish your setup by moving automations and templates for you, while smaller accounts can use the easy one-click sync to transfer contacts and history. Check the link in the description for more details about this. So there you have it, 5 tips to fix your landing page First is to clean up your design, second is to remove distraction, and the most important one is to set up your automations using Omnisend. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comment section below which of these design tips you're going to be implementing first on your product landing page. My name is Iben, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.